1, action!
Exactly. Kaya naman ang tip number 9, plan your interview attire the night before. So there are some advice or tips talaga, no? For example, wearing a coat,
Coat, yeah.
highly recommended yan, of
Yes.
course, to see, no? Or to let them know that you are professional, that you can of course it may depend ba sorry sa sa level ng ina-applyan or it shows formality lang din.
I think it just make you an impression, no? Whatever the job position you're applying for. Honestly hindi pa ako nakapag-handle mag-interview such as ayoko naman na baka kasi masyadong no, sabihin is mababa yung tingin or what, kaya pero hindi pa kasi ako nakapag-interview sa mga level ng fast food, yan. More on ang mga na-interview ko na before is corporate level, yan. So, I'm not sure kung sa part ba na ganun, no? Doon sa mga, kanyari, sa mga nag-a-apply sa mga fast food or maybe we could invite, no? Mag-invite tayo doon sa mga HR. I know someone na makakapag-share sa atin yan para dun sa ibang mga listeners natin, no? Na naghahanap naman ng job, na yun naman yung klaseng job naman. Ito kasi sinishare natin, those are corporate level na, no? Mga naghahanap ng trabaho on a certain offices, yan, office job, no? What we call it office job. I highly recommended talaga na may yan na naka-coat talaga sila, something that really comfortable on their suits.
You know what, Miss Jonna, with this tip number 9, we
Yes.
wanna make sure, no, hindi naman kailangan bago, hindi kailangan mahal,
Yep.
no, as long as you're comfortable, presentable, di ba? May hygiene, proper hygiene ka that day, and as far as I know, yung formality, no, makikita sa that by showing yung mga skin, no, yung mga, or it may depend doon sa a-applyan mo, baka pagka-receptionist. May idea po ba kayo doon about na pagka-receptionist, kailangan ba naka-skinny skirt?
Yeah.
Or it might depend ba? Or do you have an idea about that?
And that all people din talaga, hindi rin sila ganun ka-privileged, no, sa mga gamit or damit na meron sila. There are other resources or the other ways naman para makagawa sila ng paraan, no? Ukay-ukay. Have you been, no,
Ay,
na makabili sa ukay-ukay before?
Feeling ko yun na yung laman ng closet ko. Thrifted.
Yes, thrifted. At hindi lang naman din talaga yung mga sabihin na natin na tayo, no, na tagang bumibili diyan, mayayaman na tao bumibili sa mga ukay-ukay, no? Knowing Catherine Bernardo, parang napanood ko yung video niya, talagang alam mo yung mga ukay-ukay, yung ukay-ukay na 10 pesos, no?
Yes.
Doon na-videohan siya na talagang bumibili siya doon kasi nga naman yung mga makukuha mo doon na thrifted na damit, mga branded, may mga Gucci pa talaga diyan pero mabibili mo lang ng magkano lang, no? So, marami talagang ways or they could actually borrow to someone they know, no, na pwede namang magpahiram sa kanila ng damit para kahit papaano presentable talaga sila during the interview.
Exactly. Parang alay na alay dyan, or I mean, connected din dyan yung mga fashion designers, si Miss Heart Evangelista.
Yes, that's
and
correct.
Lauren Uy. So sila yung mga nakikita ko na they're open na gumagamit sila ng mga thrifted clothes, of course, to present themselves. So katulad natin, kung i-interviewin tayo bukas, no, at ang available na damit tayo sa closet is thrifted, no problem.
Yes.
It will not define who you are. It will not ruin or ruin yung mga work mo kung thrifted lang mo. So, the important is be yourself.
That's correct.
Be
Ikaw naman
comfortable.
talaga. Ikaw naman
Exactly.
talaga magdadala ng sarili mo. Alright, number 10. Bring resume copies, a notebook, and a pen. When in terms of resume, do not bring just one, not just two. Gawin mo na 10 para talagang ready ka, di ba? Paano kung nalaglag yung isa na basa? O edi saka magpapaprint. No, saka magpapa-photocopy, napakahirap niyan. So at least meron kang, tabi, no? And sometimes kasi may mga, ano yan series of interviews, hindi lang naman yan sa supervisor, pwedeng sa manager. Paano ko si supervisor nawala? Nabasa naman niya yung resume mo, kaso nawala. So at least may ibibigay kay manager, may ibibigay kay director, may ibibigay ka kay CEO, no? And they gonna see that you're really prepared on that day of interview. And of course, a notebook and a pen. Ang note ko dito, no, Miss Jam, na mas dapat, kasi baka ang question nila, no, bakit hindi na lang cellphone? Kasi may phone ka naman, doon mo na lang i-type, no? Usually kasi as an interviewer perspective, no, kapag ang interviewee may hawak na phone, ang thinking dyan na parang, interested ka ba talaga? Kasi parang, di ba yung cellphone is a distraction, baka mamaya nagte-text ka, oo, or nagre-record ka during the interview for confidentiality purposes interviewer side, no? So better na magdala sila ng notebook and ng pen for note taking. If merong mga instructions like mag-email ka dito, tawagan mo kami kay dito during the interview, kasi dyan din yan binibigay kung sino yung direct na tao ang dapat mong emailan. If meron kang asking price or you're negotiating for your pay, na hindi kasi kami ang nagde-decide niyan, Miss Jam Ang nagde-decide talaga yan is yung nasa taas. And
Kaya,
pwede mo tanongin, no? Can I have their email address? O at
kaya,
least ready ka. O ito pala dito ako mag-i-email. So, hindi
exact.
ka na dadaan pa do sa no, sa series of kung sino man yung merong posisyon dun sa kumpanya na yun, natuto ka na talaga sa dapat mong tanungin if they allow you, of course.
Yes, exactly. Kaya kailangan din talaga mayroon ka or marami kang copy ng resume, ng
Mhm.
notebook, and sa resume kasi or sa iba tinatawag na
Curriculum
invitation.
vitae.
Yes,
Yeah.
napaka-importante din talaga na dala mo yon. That is
Mhm.
your profile, that is your
Yes.
branding, that how you will show yourself,
Mhm.
by presenting that resume. At
Mhm.
mahalaga marami talaga. Just for example, nagkaroon ng funnel, you
Yeah.
already have copy. So sa funnel naman, usually nangyayari talaga siya sa mga corporate na
Mhm.
setup. So
Mhm.
marami interview. So of course, plus point na yun agad. Marami kang
Yeah.
copy ng mga
Yes.
na
Bigyan mo
dala
sila
mo.
isa-isa.
Exactly.
No, panel
Yeah,
interview, no, 10, no, isa-isa sila merong resume.
exactly. Panel interview ba? I'm sorry,
Yes.
it's a panel. Ah, dapat. Anyway, yeah, plus point na rin yung makakapagbigay ka no, ng
Mhm.
resume mo by yourself, not
Actually,
by think.
correct ka pa rin doon, Miss Jam, no? Yung funnel interview, there's another way of interviews naman na talagang funnel system, kaya siya tinawag na funnel system kasi from marami hanggang sa, kunya, 10, no? So, 10 supervisors, then inano na siya, no? Filter na siya to 3 supervisors na mag-check sa'yo if papasa ka doon. 2 managers naman, papasa ka doon sa pinaka hiring talaga. So, may ganun din naman na rigid talaga. I've experienced that before nung i-interview kami ng position is director, ayan, and yung mga uh, high executive na talaga na positions.
Wow, that's cool. How's the feeling ba na may ganoong ako hindi ko pa na-experience sa marami
Mm-hmm.
nag-interview sa akin, eh.
Ako hindi ko siya na-try, no? Kasama ko dun sa panel. Oo.
Kayo
And,
po yung
oo.
interviewer.
Ako yung
Ah,
interviewer. So, pero ako
okay.
yung na-interview, hindi ko pa na-try na yung funnel talaga na interview. Panel interview pa lang na-try ko na parang 10 talaga sila na nag-interview that time.
Ah,
Then after
grabe.
that, doon na agad sa isa, no, na mag-hire at that point. Pero
Oh, wow,
pero
that's
kung
good.
tatanungin mo yung experience ko doon sa pag-i-interview ng mga ganon, it's a privilege, no, na of course, malaman yung mga backgrounds nila, yung thoughts nila, na kung ano yung mako-contribute nila sa company. Iba-iba no? Iba't ibang tao, iba't iba talaga yung makukuha mo. And I always say to myself talaga, whoever I am going to encounter in life, whoever that I'm going to meet in life, whatever it is, whatever way it is, I'm gonna learn to that person. So kahit
Wow.
interviewee lang sila, I'm gonna learn to that person. So I have to listen. Yeah.
Yes, exactly, 'no. Bilang interviewer, listening naman talaga
Yes.
then, 'no, the key to connect doon sa ini-interview niyo naman.
Yes.
That's nice. Kaya naman, ang top 11 natin, no, para sa mga naghahanap, again, no, para sa mga listener, backtrack lang natin. So, ito yung mga tips to how to make a great impression in job interview. Sa 11, guys, please, kahit traffic sa Philippines, always remember, I'm sorry, Philippines, but that's the reality. Always plan to arrive 10 to
Sorry,
15
ano.
early.
Sorry, natatawa kasi ako eh. Dahil yung tipong sa EDSA lang, yung Quezon City lang, tapos pupunta ka ng NAIA, 3 hours.
Exactly.
Travel time mo na yun, papuntang Japan, di ba? Parang, parang,
Oh my God.
parang feeling
The
ko nga, one time merong na traffic, no, dyan sa SLEX, di ba? Umuwi ako ng Pilipinas. Yung travel ko ng Pilipinas, parang nakabalik na ako ng US. Sila nandoon pa rin, nasa traffic pa rin.
Grabe. 'Di ba? Pagka I'm not sure, hindi ko nakita yung ano yung clear memes na yun na yung travel mo daw sa Boracay is like mas mahaba pa yung travel
Yes,
dito.
yes. Oo, yun nga yung mga ano, yun nga yung mga nakikita ko eh. Yung sobrang
Talaga,
traffic talaga sa Philippines.
exactly. Kaya naman yung tip natin doon is kung hangga't maaari, no, i-map nyo na, Google Map na
Oo.
natin kung
Yeah.
saan yung location na pupuntahan natin. Kung kaya, ahead of time or ahead before, a day before yung interview,
Yes,
puntahan na
yes.
natin, no? And of course, kung magpa-public transport naman tayo at yung yung ruta na alam natin, no? If kaya talaga or dapat, mag-plan na nung alternative way.
Yeah.
No? Kung hindi pwede sa, halata ko mga Caloocan, no? Kasi from North Caloocan, talagang dadaanan mo yung Zabarte kung magsa-south ka. Pwedeng Zabarte, pwedeng Maligaya. Kung ang Zabarte lang yung alam nating way, alamin natin yung way which is Maligaya. So that's another tip lang para maka-arrive tayo on time.
That's for physical interview. Dapat talaga on time, no? Or a day before, nandoon na sila. And of course, hindi lang naman siya nag-a-apply sa physical interview, no? Pati na rin sa virtual. You have to be on that link 30 minutes prior. Dapat talaga mas mauna ka, no? Mag-antay ka doon. Di ba kapag kung virtual naman is merong parang waiting area or parang lobby, no? Sa Zoom.
Yes.
So, just waiting there, no? Habang nandiyan ka, off mo lang yung camera mo, prepare ka. At least nakita nila na, makikita man nila how many minutes ka na nag-aantay doon. MS Teams man yan, Gmeet, no?
Google
Gmeet man
Meet,
yan,
yes.
or Zoom. So, you really have to prepare or be early on that. Ma-share ko lang din, no? Nung nag-interview ako sa US Embassy a day before, kahit na sa, di ba, from Caloocan, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, to NAIA, which is pwede ko naman siyang i-travel ng at around 3 to 4 hours with the traffic na yan, sabihin natin. Pero hindi, talagang doon na ako nag-book. Nag-book na ako doon para hindi na ako malilate kasi hindi mo masasabi eh. Baka may mga aberya or merong aksidente mangyari sa daan na magkabagaan, no, maipit ka and hindi mo alam ang gagawin mo. Makakadagdag kasi yan sa kabe, no? Yung tipong, ano ba yung malilate na ako? Mapipressure ka. Imbis na nakapag-prepare ka na lahat sa mga sasagot mo, sasabihin mo, naku, mawawala lahat. Makakalimutan mo kasi makarating ka man, no, sa interview na yon, ang papasok sa utak mo at paulit-ulit yung inis mo dun sa traffic. Dapat kanina pa talaga ako nandito eh. Diba? Dapat talaga yung mga ganun-ganun iniisip natin, at least, na-clear na yung mind natin.
Tama po.
So,
Out of
talaga.
tuloy. Kaya,
Yes.
ang daming effect ng traffic talaga. So,
Yes.
be prepare talaga or earlier than doon sa time na interview mo. No? Even online man yan or sa mismong office ng pupuntahan mo. Another extra tip naman, kapag ka dumating ka naman ng maaga doon sa office na ina-applyan mo, observe na.
Yes, that's correct.
Yung extra minutes mo na yon, pwede ka na mag-observe sa workplace dynamics. So, usually, personally, no-observe ko talaga, no, yung mga tao, yung makakasama ko na baka makasama ko in near future, di ba? So, that's also for you then, no, na kapag aga ka dun sa office, it will benefit also you.
Yes. And you can have time na rin, no, to talk to people around, no, yung mga makakasama mo, baka meron ka rin na kasama mo na may interview din, no? Na
Mhm.
kausapin mo na rin. Kasi I'm gonna give a tip na rin, no, na I had it with a company before na minsan
Mhm.
yung CEO mismo ang umuupo doon sa HR section, recruitment section, na kunwari mag-a-apply siya. Pero talagang nag-o-observe lang talaga siya. Sino ba yung mga tao doon na talagang true to their self. Na eto talaga, totoo talagang tao. So, hindi na sila nahihirapan. And actually, nakuha lang din nila yung mga idea na rin na yan doon sa mga napapanood
Mhm.
nila, no? Sa mga movie,
Ah,
meron din yan.
movie.
Yes, yes. And they just
Movie.
apply it as well in the Philippines. Na-apply din nila
Oh.
yan. Yes. I think napanood ko ata one time, meron din isa sa movie.
Mhm.
I'm not sure what exact movie in that, pero one time na experience nga namin yan doon sa sa company namin before. So talagang
Mhm.
yung mataas sa kumpanya ang nagche-check, nag-i-inter na nakikipagkwentuhan, akala mo
Employee din.
employee din or interviewee din, no? Yung pala siya na yung mag-hire sa'yo. So you will never know, no? Sabi nga maliit ang mundo. So lalo na kung naduduka sa kumpanya na yun, better to be nice to everyone because it will makes them a great impression. That's our number 12, right?
Yes, tama.
Yes. Yan na
Oh
yung
my
ano
God.
natin you're making a great impression dun sa mga taong nakapaligid din sa'yo. At dun sa mga soon,
Mhm.
nagmamanifest ka na soon mga makakatrabaho ko yung mga yan. O, hindi kausapin mo na rin sila. At the same time, you have to prepare talaga yung mga diniscuss natin kanina in terms of dun sa damit, na suot natin, be early. That's an impression. Overall
Yeah.
package talaga ng impression yan.
Yeah, yung hygiene, don't forget, of
Mm-hmm.
course, maggupit na ng kuko, yung shoes
Mm-hmm.
natin, no? Again, di kailangan lagi lahat or lahat bago, no?
Mm-hmm.
Kailangan lang natin
Yes.
i-check kung may stain, kung meron bang
Mm-hmm.
mga nakadikit sa atin na balahibo ng pusa o ng aso.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, always remember to smile.
Mm-hmm.
To smile, no? Yeah, I guess that's the perfect accessory na meron yung bawat isa.
That's correct.
It will build up not only you but other people.
Yes.
Right? Kaya
Mhm.
naman yung 13 na pang 13 natin na
Mhm.
tip, treat everyone you encounter with respect. If you
Yes.
can smile, no, by smiling, actually makaka-uplift ka na ng isang tao eh. Well,
Mhm.
let's well, in my own experience has
Yeah.
proven, it will add up to your personality.
Yes. Mhm.
No? Na pwede ka nilang i-approach
Mhm.
anytime. No, pwede ka nilang lapitan. You can build
Mhm.
trust by smiling. No? So,
Yes.
yeah, kahit security guard pa yan,
Yeah. Mm.
maintenance yan, no? Tama yung sinabi niyo po eh, na bilog
Mhm.
ang hindi natin
Mhm.
alam, balang araw, boss na natin yan.
Yes,
No? So,
exactly.
anyone deserves to be respected, no?
Mhm.
Everyone deserves to be loved. So, yeah, kahit hindi man yan yung mag interview sa'yo, I guess that's the general rule in life.
Mhm. I could share with this one. Siguro 10 years ago, nag-apply ako dun sa company, no? So,
Mhm.
syempre, make an impression,
Mhm.
nakasuot ako noon, I don't know what color, pero bright yung color kasi gusto ko standout ako eh. May ano yan
Mhm.
eh. Kailangan bright yung colors para kahit madami kami, ako ang stand out. And I
Yes.
always smile to everyone. So, kahit nadaanan ko lang, no, smile ako, talagang, hi, good morning, ganyan talaga, no, na nakikipag connect ka no sa mga tao nakapaligid sa and I found
Mhm.
out na yun pala nakasalamuha ko one time na inismailan ko na
Mhm.
akala ko nga nasungitan pa ako sa kanya kasi tagang tumingin siya ng
Mhm.
ganyan parang siguro bigla siya ano to epal to
Yes, yes, yes,
diba?
yes. Oo.
Pero that time, tumatak ako sa isip niya na siyempre bright yung colors na damit ko.
Yes.
Tapos nakasalubong niya ako, no? Na nakita niya yung ano ko, yung smile ko, yung vibe, no? Yung energy na papasa mo kasi yan eh. So during the
Mhm.
interview, doon lang kami nagka-surprisean. Parang nakita
Mhm.
kita, ikaw yung kanina. Parang I know you. It seems that yeah, you're the early one who smiled at me yun nga sinabi niya no so it means that oo naging remarkable sa kanya yung seconds lang na yun so
Ah,
in that point simpleng seconds lang yun ha I was able to sell myself 'di ba
wow.
I was able to to make an impression na agad-agad. So, it's
So, hindi na yung parang hindi ka na mahihirapan din i-introduce sa
yes!
or no,
To connect
to show
yourself.
to show who you are. Because proven na niya, nakita niya kanina, and parang na-experience ko yun sa car park cashier, no? Yung car park cashier, pag bibigay ako ng ticket, okay, at papasok sila, yung mga parker, yan, mga customer, bibigyan natin ng ticket, good morning, ayan, welcome to, yan,
Yeah.
oh my God, Brand, hi.
O baka naman, no, pa-sponsor dyan.
Ayan. Oo nga. So, 'di ba parang after nun, pagkabalik nila dun sa parking, meron na silang dalang something, 'di ba? Because
Yeah.
ako, I believe smiling is contagious eh.
Yes.
Contagious. You know, sobrang
Correct.
daming problema na sa mundo. Simangot ka pa ba?
That's correct.
Well, kaya I guess yung tip number 14 connected dyan eh, no? May
Yes, correct.
authenticity. Win them over with authenticity and positivity.
That's
My
correct.
God, connected na connected yung smile.
Yes!
Diba?
Diba? Sa
I guess,
smile lang, no? Ang dami ng connection.
nagiging authentic ka na. No? So, it might be, parang sa iba, mahirap mag-smile dahil nahihiya or merong fear na ma-neglect sila or ma-reject sila, no? But I guess that's showing positivity lang around people, no? Around you. And smile and upbeat attitude can help keep the interview light and constructive talaga.
And it will change the mood kasi mostly talaga ng hiring managers, they're gonna give you a certain standard or certain expectations, no, na talagang frown face, serious, kasi they're just giving you a vibe na seryoso to, kala seryoso ka sa trabaho mo. Pero it doesn't mean that you have to be serious as well. Dapat, ipasa mo yung vibe niyo kahit nakasimangot sa yung interviewer, you have to smile, answer it with positivity, answer it with authenticity talaga with that smile. No? In that way kasi connected din yan, no, Miss Jam. So number 15, the respond truthfully to the question asked. No? Oo. Kasi diyan nila nakikita na when you are smiling na hindi you really have to weigh, no, which is smile is awkward, which is smile is something that authentic, no? Alam mo yung smile na horror, no? Yung smile hindi
pilit
na
na pilit.
Oo, pilit na pilit. Oh, make it authentic. How do you do that? Balikan natin yung kaninang no, pag-prepare natin, no? Smile in the front of mirror and answer some questions like you're also the interviewer or answer questions na nasa mind mo na naka-smile ka sa face, di ba? Kasi hindi naman siya overnight, na ngayon, na hindi ka naman talaga palangiti na tao, hindi ka naman talaga na panakausap na tao, tapos bigla kang magpapa-interview, tapos, no, ipa-practice mo yung naka-smile, and you are not that kind of person, it's a habit. It has to be a habit. So better, yes. So might as well right now, practice it, especially if you're looking for a job. You really have to sell yourself with your smile pa lang. Kailangan kabenta-benta na yan.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Ganda na yung nakuha ko sa iyo right now, Miss Jonna, no? Na, for example, that day, medyo talaga bad day, no? Eksakto interview mo. Go to the restroom or comfort room, kung anong term doon. Then, cheer up yourself. You can do it. I know you can do it, no? You are good enough, no? You are you can do anything na possible na gagawin mo today. Right?
That's correct.
So I guess that's immediate na gagawin mo kapag ka malungkot mo that day. Pero may interview ka.
Yes,
Right?
that's
So,
correct.
okay. So, let's proceed. Tip number 16, tie answers to your skills and accomplishments. Of course, kung ano yung tatanungin ni interviewer, kailangan, alam mo yun, tie, connected. Same doon sa mga job description na ina-applyan mo. No? Whatever your background is, or kahit yung mga in-internship nyo, no?
Yes.
It might help, no, para ma-address na, okay, aligned, ako ay connected, ako ay fit, lahat ng experience ko or skills ko sa ina-applyan ko.
Of course, no, keep your answers concise and focused. That's our number 17. Huwag ka
Mm.
nang sumagot ng napakahaba na hindi naman talaga related. Kasi sayang
Hmm,
you're just wasting both times and you're
mm,
wasting both energies. No, kung ano
mhm,
yung tanong, hindi naman one question, one answer, no? Na
hmm,
what are your skills? Na I can develop a website. That's it, 'di ba? You really have to elaborate it na something that the interview we're gonna engage on the conversation. No, make it a
yeah,
conversational, no? Kasi magtatanong naman 'yan, magiging
mm,
interested naman yun dun sa mga stories na sasabihin mo. Just make it sure
mm,
lang na yung sagot mo is based dun sa question na binato sa'yo.
exactly. Kaya kailangan concise and focused. Simple, tell me about yourself.
Yeah.
Baka i-mention pa natin, ako mahilig ako sa swimming, sa
Yes.
diving, 'di ba? So,
Yes.
example, focus ka, ano ba yung
Uh-huh.
dapat to tell me about yourself. Of course, yung mga na-experience mo
Mhm.
na puwedeng, add value or ay parang catchy dun sa
Yes, yes.
interview,
Mhm.
'no? So dati, eto nag-intern ako sa ganitong company na might be helpful to your company
Mhm.
also. So, something like that.
Yes. And most of the hiring managers, they are giving an expectation how many minutes or how many hour na bibigyan ka nila ng ano no ng allotted time to do the interview. So you really have to be mindful of your time. Huwag ka naman check ng oras, no? But of course,
Mm,
yung answer, it has to be concise and focused that you think talagang nakuha mo yung punto ng question na yun. But of course,
exactly.
you will not be able to do that if you did not prepare. So dapat talaga no, naalala ko yung quote ng professor ko nung college ako, no? Failure to prepare is the preparation to fail. 'Di ba? So
Yeah, ang
kung
ganda niyan.
nag-fail kang mag-prepare, pine-prepare mo talaga ang sarili mo na mag-fail. So, preparation talaga. It's always about the preparation.
Ganda. At ang preparation di naman po kailangan 1 month, one
Yeah.
year, no?
Oh.
So, it takes consistency lang to
Mhm,
learn
mhm,
or to make it a practice dun sa interview
mhm.
mo next day.
Yeah, we're
No?
talking about the interview. Baka mamaya isipin kasi nila na hindi pala dapat years ang preparation. O baka nalalayo na naman sila na we're talking about the interview here, ha? Of course,
Yeah.
there's a lot of definition of preparation in life, in career, or whatever your goals. But right now, we're talking about the interview talaga.
Mm-mm, yeah,
Yes.
yeah, correct. So, with the number 18 naman, of course, no, i-share mo lahat yung mga yung
Mm-hmm.
experiences mo sa job, sa
Mm-hmm.
internship, or wherever you are no na nanggaling. Don't speak. Don't
Mm-hmm.
speak negatively about previous employers.
Off na
Right?
off yan, Miss Jam. Yung mga
Yes.
nagsasabi talaga ng mas, bad or ill words from their previous
Review.
employers. Mhm,
Mm,
mhm.
opo. Kasi pwede kasi ma-discourage, no, yung ina-applyan mo, yung pwede silang ma-turn off sa mga reason
Yes.
mo. Ano ba yung mga example, Miss Jonah, ng mga negative
Um,
na previous
usually,
employer?
usual questions, no, why did you quit or why did you transfer to the certain company and you're just gonna answer na because my previous employer did not give me my 13-month pay, no, yung mga ganyan. Or
Or
because,
toxic environment.
yes, yes, a toxic environment, kasi yung employer ko hindi ko o kaya yung boss ko hindi ko makasundo. Ibig sabihin, kung hindi mo siya makasundo, baka possible isipin nung hiring manager mo, baka ikaw may problema kaya hindi mo makasundo, di na kita tatanggapin, no? So you really
Mm,
have to be careful of a choice of words dun sa
mm.
answer mo sa interview.
Yes, and you will make it by preparation. You'll make it by research kung anong tamang sagot doon. Of course, kahit pa hindi naman yun talaga, but there's words, no, may mga tamang sentence or construction.
Mhm.
How will you that answer? For example, talagang bored na bored ka na
Yeah.
and routine na lang yung ginagawa mo doon and wala talagang growth.
Mhm.
Pwede tayong, for example, sumagot na we're looking for another opportunities, di
Mhm.
ba? We're
Mhm.
looking for
Greener
growth.
pasture, no? Yun yung mga ano Kittermen. Yeah, location, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
Location, yun ang mga ano nila
Exactly.
no? Hindi
Exact
lang din naman siya nag-a-apply sa previous employer, no? Especially dun sa mga newly grads na wala naman silang
Mhm.
previous employer. Pero wag silang magsasabi ng, kasi mostly ang ask nila dyan during their college life or
Yeah.
yung 4-year course nila, ang hirap kasi ng thesis namin, ang hirap ng project, o minsan may tatanong sila bakit ka bumagsak, no, sa isang subject, no?
Yes.
You have to point out yung back subject mo na yan or incomplete subject mo na yan. It's not something about around you. It's something that
Mhm.
you have to point out na dapat mo talagang anuhin na it could be something like financial, no? Or it could
Yeah.
be something na hindi naman talaga maaapektuhan ng ibang tao, no? Para wala ka na ring madadamay kasi we can say din, but sometimes it really happens, no? May mga
Mm-mm.
may mga students kasi na dahil hindi pinasa ng professor, hindi consider, hindi pinakinggan, no? No,
Yes.
for sure may mga experience tayo niyan before, pero I'm glad naman yung mga professor ko nun mababait. Oh, in-apply.
Yes,
Pero
oo nga.
totoo naman, totoo. I'm glad with even na strict yung mga professors ko before, na talaga
Mm-mm.
natuto talaga ako. Natuto talaga ako doon sa mga disciplined and strict professors na yan. Ganyan.
Exact.
Dapat, oo. Kahit na nahirapan ko nung ano yon, kailangan mong itawid na at maganda pa rin yung yung ending.
Yeah, kasi naka-graduate naman tayo, eh.
Yeah, so that's how they do it para hindi naman pangit pakinggan dun sa interviewer and hindi rin
Mm.
mag-end up na you can share something but make it sure na kapag sinagot mo yung tanong nila na
Mm.
pwedeng makaapekto dun sa image ng ibang tao, make it to the point na may natutunan ka doon, no? Pwedeng sabihin
Mm.
na super discipline, super strict, kaya hindi ako nakapasa, but I learned my lesson, no? Talaga natuto
Yeah,
ko and doon ko na-realize yung mga tao pa talaga na naghihigpit sa akin. They're the ones who's really cared about me.
fair.
Yun, no,
Yes.
'di ba? Yun yung mga
Yes.
hinahanap natin during the interview na may natutunan ka dapat talaga no doon sa mga taong dumaan sa buhay mo, sa mga pangyayari na nangyari sa buhay mo. Yes.
Exactly. Yeah. Ayan, di natin namamalayan, Miss Jonah, no, na almost we're done na dun sa interview day or during interview.
Mhm.
So, of course, after natin ma-interview o maghanda bago yung interview day,
Mhm.
ano naman kaya yung dalawang tip after the interview? So, yun ang tip natin na number 19, which is
Mhm.
ask about next steps. Oo nga
Mhm.
naman, Miss Jonna. Ano nga bang next step after mo ako ma-interview or after
Yeah.
ma-interviewin?
Oo.
Okay, so kilala mo na
Mhm.
ako, kilala na
Yeah.
kita, kilala ko, alam, eto na yung mga background ko.
Mm.
So, next, no? Of course, kailangan or dapat nating tanungin
Mhm.
in a very or in a professional, in
Yes.
a kind words or kung ano ba
Mhm.
yung mga pwede natin gamiting words, no? Para
Yes.
tanungin sa interviewer, kailan, no?
Aha.
O hanggang kailan ako mag-iintay or ano po bang
Yes.
next step, when, right?
Mhm. Mhm.
So, pwede rin naman tayo mag-follow up sa email,
Mhm.
kung ano yung result, kung ang tagal-tagal na wala pa, or kung may timeline naman na naibigay sa atin sa interviewer, better.
Yes. Mhm.
But please do not hesitate, guys, to ask the interviewer, ano po bang next step? No? Or
Mhm.
may timeline po ba about
Yes.
this? And so on and so forth.
That's correct.
Also, yeah, of course, yung last one natin, send a
Mhm.
thank you letter after interview. Or,
Mhm.
pwede rin naman na on that day, ano, on
Mhm.
the spot, thank you na tayo, no, for time na
Mhm.
na-interview tayo, na mai-proceed yung mga application process
Mhm.
natin, no? Or better talaga na we'll send an email na saying thank you. No, we're grateful na na-meet natin sila and they let us express or introduce
Yes.
ourselves. Either
Mhm.
interview man yan online or interview dun sa
Mhm.
physical.
And I'm sure naman, no,
Mm.
Miss Jam, na talagang sinesendan din sila dyan ng invitation email prior ng interview. So, meron na silang email na pwede nilang pagsendan ng thank you letter. And at the same time, no, parang makakapag-iwan din kasi yan ng ano ng how do you call that? Na parang magma-mark siya dun sa hiring manager na out of all 20 na interview, ikaw yung nag-email, ikaw ang maalala. Ito yung sumagot ng ganito, ganyan. Kasi sa
Yes.
dami na yun eh. So sa dami na na-interview niya, sa dami na na-interview nung hiring manager that day, mahirap na sa kanya mag-retain, though may mga keynotes, keywords na yan, of course, mahirap mamili. So, might as well, sa hirap ng process and at the same time, no, sa pagpili dun sa mga applicants, dun sa kahit papano is something that we could find na interested talaga sa position, mas magiging ano tayo sa kanila, interested, if makita natin na nagfa-follow up sila or nag-sho-show up sila dun sa email and
Yes.
we'll be able to find out talaga na yung tao na talagang eager talaga siya na makuha yung position na yun. So, mas
Kasi
maaalala
siyahin
yung
siya.
pangalan. Oo, naaalala
Correct.
yung pangalan.
Yung passion niya talaga na gustong makuha yung
Yes.
posisyon na 'to, no? And tip lang po do'n, no, just in case mag-e-email kayo do'n sa company, re-replyan niyo lang yung job interview schedule niyo via phone message or email man yan.
Yeah.
You may use yung mga napag-usapan niyo.
That's
No,
correct.
for example, I'm so grateful na nakilala ko yung ganitong brand or yung company ninyo which na merong bilang top for example, shawarma business in the industry in the Philippines, no? So it will really, you have to be very distinct talaga. Bilang you have to think na paano ba maging unique kasi baka lahat naman mag-send ng thank you. Lahat naman mag-send ng nice meeting you, thank you for letting me introduce myself and so on and so forth. No, but if that's the case, then you have to think the plan B, which is you must be unique. No, be authentic.
Kailangan talaga pag-stand out ka.
Stand out ka talaga by using yung mga na pag-usapan nyo that moment.
Yes.
I'm not sure kung ako yung HR, baka naman, ewan ko na lang kung makalimutan pa kita.
Yes, that's correct.
Diba? So, to wrap it up, Miss Jonah, grabe.
Yes, ang dami natin na pag-usapan doon. Yes. And I
Dalawang
really had fun. I really had fun to share tips, techniques, and experiences, no? And I hope na makasama pa rin natin sila to our next episode.
Yes, you're correct, no? So, guys, if hindi niyo pa narinig yung part 1, no, yung part pa ng episode na to, which is how to make a great impression in a job interview, please we'll try dito ba sa Spotify merong ano? We'll comment.
Yeah. Call to action, no? Punta na lang sila doon sa list, no?
Okay, sa Spotify channel namin, guys, please visit yung part 1 so you can connect yung ano yung preparation before the interview, during the interview day, and of course yung after the interview. And I hope, guys, nakatulong kami sa mga mag-a-apply soon. No, either bagong interview o bagong graduate ka man or current na nag-aanap ng trabaho. I hope, or don't forget to save or download this Spotify episode for us makatulong naman sa inyo.
Yes. All right. So just don't forget to follow, to like, and of course, be a subscriber to our Spotify, UIP Talks, our YouTube, UIP Incorporated. We also have Facebook and Instagram, UIP Incorporated.
All right. Thank you so much for joining and listening. And don't forget to comment if you want to feature your stories or if you want to share.
You can also email it on info@uip.ph.
Yes. Again, I'm Jamaica and I'm with
Miss Jonah.
Thank you for listening to
UIP Talks. Yeah. All right. See you there. Next week. Bye.